Hi, I'm Dave Binns, Director of Engineering here at Cambridge Engineering. We recently had some customers in for our annual Contractor Advisory Board. We showcased our new line of industrial retrofit accessories. What we heard from our clients and contractors was it made industrial retrofits easier and more profitable by removing uncertainty, by removing needs for structural engineers, by making projects safer and just easier to access. So we're going to share with you some of the things they said and some of the things they highlighted about these new products.
These accessories are outstanding. They help us to do our job better, to do our job quicker, and to do our job more safely.
These retrofit pieces that you guys, that Cambridge is making, really help us increase our bottom line dollars, our gross profit per man day.
After reviewing these units and the sectional pieces, I definitely could see where the efficiency of the installation of these would definitely help us out in the field.
So thank you for your time today. Please feel free to reach out to Cambridge Engineering or your local representative and learn more about how we can help you grow your industrial retrofit business.